Hello everyone, I'm Brandon Canaday, Losant's Chief Product Officer, and today I'm bringing you details about our most recent platform update. This release brings major new functionality to Losant Edge Compute. We added SNMP as a built-in protocol, we added the ability to run workflows directly from disk instead of being deployed from the cloud, and we further improved the UI when it comes to deploying and debugging Edge workflows. Let's start with SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is widely used to interface with networking equipment, things like switches, routers, and access points. When it comes to smart environment IoT solutions, where these things usually live, this kind of IT data is often overlooked. But combining data from your network with traditional sensors like occupancy monitoring, you can get some really interesting insights into how your space is being utilized. These kind of solutions are really helpful as we all continue to figure out our post-COVID back-to-office strategies. Just like all our other southbound connectors, SNMP nodes can be found in our drag-and-drop visual workflow engine. We've added 3 nodes to make it easy to both read and write data to and from your SNMP devices. Next up, we greatly enhanced the capability when it comes to getting workflows to your Edge agent gateways. With OnDisk workflows, Edge agents no longer need to be registered or ever connect to Losant's platform to begin running workflows. You can now export workflows from the platform, put those workflows directly on your gateway, and when the Edge agent launches, those workflows will begin to run. OnDisk workflows allow you to ship gateways to customers with functionality out of the box. This greatly reduces the complexity of certain IoT solutions, especially for OEMs that distribute gateways that communicate with the equipment's controller. The workflows that perform that communication can now be directly included in the gateway, instead of requiring a complex registration and deployment process using cloud workflows. And lastly, we've improved the UI when deploying and debugging Edge workflows. In our previous update, we introduced the concept of Live Look, which greatly streamlined iterative development. In this release, we added a pop-up where you can watch a deployment happen live and immediately switch to Live Look once a device has received the new workflow. This makes it even easier to develop, deploy, and debug your Edge workflows. Make sure to check out the blog article for this update. There are a lot of features I didn't mention, and many of them come directly from your feedback. So please keep coming back to the forums and leaving those feature suggestions. Nothing at Losant ships without being fully documented, so you can find information about everything I talked about in our documentation. I'll see you on the next platform update.